All right, guys, I'm back with another video. Today what we're going to be working on is we're going to be installing Hawk brake pads. They're part number right there. They're made for a TSX. On my setup, what I have is I'm running Legend dual caliper pistons. I believe they're off of 94-95 Acura GS. These are the Mini Cooper rotors off of a non-S 2007. I'm also running these little shims right here from, these are the Mini Cooper rotors off of a non-S 2007. I'm also running these little shims right here from Lithia Motorsports. And yeah, and then the brake pads are off of a TSX from 2004 to 2008, and I'm using 23T caliper brackets. We're gonna install these on both sides, and we're gonna see what kind of a difference it makes. So this side, exact same thing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this 14, so we can take the caliper off. Then after we do that, remove the pads, put them back in, compress our pistons back in, put the caliper on, put the two 14s back in, tighten them down, and we're good to go. Then we can start beating in these brakes. Alright, pads are installed. Now we're going to bed in the brakes like Hawk calls for. There's about a couple steps. First step after installing, you have to make 6 to 10 engagements from 30 to 35 miles an hour, and then slowly come to a stop with, without coming to a stop. Apply moderate pressure. Then immediately by making, step 2 is immediately following followed by making an additional 2 to 3 engagements from approximately 40 to 45 miles per hour with hard pedal pressure without coming to a stop. And then step 3 is increase speed to simulate race conditions. I don't know where I'm gonna do that right here on the street. I mean, obviously I don't think I'm gonna do that, but I'll get it a little bit higher. At near race speed, engage the brakes 6 to 8 times without coming to a complete stop. Do not drag brakes. Step 4, allow the system to cool immediately. Parking the car for 15 minutes or longer. Brakes should reach ambient temperature or cool to the touch. Do not engage brakes during cool down period. Remove duct seals. Brakes are now ready to use. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it down around the neighborhood. I'll take you guys along with me, and we're gonna check it out. Cause yeah. Moderate pressure. You don't want to drag the brakes. Speed a little bit, do 40 to 45.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
I'm happy with them. They've worked good, way better than the little cheap ones, because when I first put these brakes on, I used the cheapest ones from O'Reilly's, which were like the little cheapy brand that was like less than $25. I threw those on there just to get the brakes on. I told myself eventually I would end up getting some better pads, and man, what a difference. I highly recommend these if you plan to go with these brakes. I mean, even if you don't go with these brakes but you want the HP plus pads, they're pretty good. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully soon I can take it out to the track and really test them out. This is just my track car. I don't really daily it. I do want to kind of you know, drive it to work here and there at least twice or maybe even once. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I'll be working on more suspension shit, and hopefully take it out to the track here soon. All right, like.